a familiar vehicle, a familiar problem. Today's problem is the battery. Is the battery dead? I don't know for certain, but what I do know is that I had this vehicle parked in the parking lot for 15 minutes. Probably had the radio on, the fan on, and the lights on, and I went to go ahead, wanted to start the vehicle, and it wouldn't start. I did come to Canadian Tire, and I have purchased my new battery. There's the information on it. Start by disconnecting the battery. Really on that tightly. There we go. Use caution. I have a glove on. This can be dangerous, as you can note by the safety. Okay, this one is a little looser. Gotta get down there and unscrew that. So we're gonna get this. Good grief. That is really on there. Corrosion. Wow. Oh, there we go. Smoking Joe's garage. What in the heaven's gate is going on here? Take a closer look at that. Yeah, she's got a little bit of corrosion, not a lot. Safe place. Safe place. Okay, get that out of the way. We got the battery block holder thingamajiggy out of the way. This battery should be free. Out with the old. I am going to keep this battery warmer blanket. Seat that down better. See how it's floating? That's because it won't go down anymore. Okay, She's sitting down. Just has to be snug. Doesn't have to be torqued down to 100 foot-pounds of torque. Helmet battery. I'm gonna bring that in for the core return. 20 bucks. All right, let's test out the battery. Twelve 12.6, 12.5, 12.6, 12.5, right on the money. This is the voltage of a healthy battery. 12.6 volts, uncharged. And just like that, you should have power. This is the voltage of a charging battery in a running vehicle. Don't open your hood to strangers. Thanks for watching.